Hi Taurus, welcome to Omkara Tarot and for your July 2020 readings. Taurus, these are general energy readings, may not resonate with all of you, so just take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send us the message they need to hear the most for July. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers. It's been such a pleasure to have you on my channel, and your comments really keep me motivated. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome. Do subscribe and be part of our little family here. And here we are. Ace of Pentacles, but in reverse. What's going on, Taurus? Ten of Wands in reverse, letting go of some heavy burdens, are you this month? So what's been bothering you? Why are you in the Ten of Wands? But it's thankfully it's in reverse. So that means whatever heavy burdens you were carrying are now gone. Yeah, so anything sneaky somebody did to you, anyone bothered you, anyone cheated you, you're just letting go of anything and everything that's bothered you, I think, till now. And yes, you've taken back your power. You're not sharing your love or emotions with anyone right now because you've realized it's really not worth it. And you've made some kind of decision here. You're no longer confused, Taurus. You're no longer confused, no longer in any kind of illusion. You've decided to withdraw whatever love and affection you were giving to somebody. Maybe there was a lack of commitment here, or you feel that you don't want to give any commitment. But whatever this scenario was for you, you have kind of taken control back of your life, Taurus, and you are ready to release any burden. Maybe there was some new beginning which you were trying to have in the past, which didn't fructify, and you said, okay, to hell with it, and I'm no longer going to be bothered with it. You're looking for a fresh, passionate start for yourself now, which is fabulous. It's only when you drop old burdens, Taurus, is when you can actually move ahead. So it's very good if you've kind of dropped anything that was hindering your progress, and now you're ready for your new passionate beginning. Let's see what happened though. In the past, see, same card, wow. No, it's yeah, okay. So 10 of swords in reverse, 10 of wands in reverse, 10 of swords in reverse. So major healing going on. Somebody really betrayed you in the past, but I see you came out of that also. You've managed to remove each and every sword of yours. And yes, whenever this thing happened, I think, Taurus, you really went into a hangman's place where you thought and got enlightened as to what happened here. You decided to see what happened, like what was the investment here, what were the seeds that were planted, and then you realized, okay, if this person is not going to meet me halfway or contribute or invest in, maybe this could be your business, right? This could be your job, this could be your relationship, it could be just about anything, but you realized that there was no investment being put from the other end, and you decided to just let go of. I'm so happy for you, Taurus. Every negative card for you is in reverse. Okay, the 9 of swords is in reverse, where you're no longer crying, no longer bothered. You have removed all these 10 swords from your back. You dropped all the heavy burden. Excellent. And that you've done all by yourself, because you went within and you got enlightened. You spent a good amount of healing time, I think, on yourself. Really good. Good. Let's see what's coming up for you then. Queen of Cups in reverse. I don't think, Taurus, you're going to be feeling, like trusting anyone in a big hurry in July. I think July is the month where you find yourself. Okay, you are going to totally concentrate on yourself in July. Your full focus is going to be how to better your own life, and this is what you're going to become, the Queen of Wands. Okay. Now the Queen of Wands is that fabulous, fabulous queen who walks into a room and all eyes are on her. She is the go-getter. She's the one who gets jobs done. She is the one who has these bright new ideas. People look up at her for inspiration. They're awed by her presence. So this is what you are going to become now, Taurus, in the month of July. You're no longer being this, sweet, lovey-dovey, kind, always, getting a bad deal maybe kind of a person. You've let this part of your persona, go to sleep for the time being. And this is what you're coming into, which is great. Absolutely wonderful. So let's see, Taurus, what is it that you're holding on to or should hold on to? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. You are holding on to some kind of stagnancy. Yeah, you are still kind of, even though you are moving ahead in a very rapid way, I see here, you are still holding on to a little bit of residue from the past, a little bit of distrust, okay? Whatever was revealed to you, I think that really hurt you, and that made you a little bitter, Taurus. It really made you a little bitter. Whatever these secrets were, which came out in your past, you kind of stuck in that negative space a little bit, not much. You really have worked already, and I see you working ahead even more. So Spirit is saying, if there's anything else left, don't turn bitter, please, and let go of whatever didn't work for you in the past, because this is what you're going in for. You're going in with the Ace of Wands, and who has the Ace of Wands? You, the Queen of Wands. Okay, so Spirit's saying, just let it go now. Don't turn your life into being somebody who's bitter. Focus 100% energy, like this person is, coin by coin, just working on your own life 100%. Okay? So what is it that you should let go of, Taurus? Yeah, again the same thing. Let go of the fact that things didn't move for you in the past. Because the more you're going to concentrate on that, Taurus, you will stay stuck. Okay, same message, what you're holding on to, what you should not hold on to, and what you should let go. It's absolutely the same message for you, Taurus. The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. That means let go of this feeling. The minute you will release past trauma, past hurt, past bitterness, is when this wheel is going to move in a forward direction. Okay, and that's what we all want, don't we? So stop being defensive now. Just stop being defensive and keeping your guard up all the time. Go out and have some fun. The Queen of Wands is a fun queen. Huh? She is the party maker. So that's what Spirit is also saying, that stop being defensive anymore. Yeah, you've already been through this, right? You've already turned this upside down. Spirit is saying this is over, okay? But a new dawn is beginning now. When something gets over, Taurus, there's always a brand new day which follows this dark night. Justice is coming for you. Justice is already here for you, except you're not seeing it. What you are doing, Taurus, is you're keeping yourself in a self-imposed prison here. Now the worst is already over. You have to forget about these swords now. They were in your back, they're gone now. Now you're surrounding yourself with mental swords. You've put a blindfold on your eyes and you don't want to see anything happy for your future, right? So Spirit is saying, please let go of all that. Please, please, please let go of that, Taurus. You're so wonderful, and you have such exciting new beginnings coming for you. Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, I mean, everything is going for you. Only if you can help the universe make up your mind is when they can also move this wheel in the upright for you, where everything will be bright and sunny and happy once again. Okay, so like they say, when you manifest, don't say, I want this, but I don't think I'm going to get it. So remove anything negative from your life now. What is your biggest hurdle now, Taurus, in the month of June? Justice in reverse. Your biggest hurdle, Taurus, is that you feel nothing can ever go right in my life. Spirit, Spirit is really by your side, huh, Taurus? Uh, Spirit says your biggest hurdle is not believing that things can be put right. Okay? And we really want to put things right for you. What we want to make you is this now: the Emperor with the Sun. These are our plans for you. Emperor is a person, is a character. It's not masculine or feminine. I mean, don't go by the queen and the king and whatever. It's each character has a characteristic which you have, right? So you could be powerful as an emperor, you could be beautiful as a queen, you could be nurturing as the queen of cups, you could be a go-getter like the queen of wands, you could be smart like the king of cups. So, gender doesn't matter in these cards. It's about the characteristics of the cards. So what Spirit is saying, that your biggest hurdle is not believing that this can be put right now. Okay, so universe is saying, of course this can be put right. We are waiting. We are waiting for this big sun to shine in your life again and to give you all the power and control that you need. So trust us and leave the rest to us. Just believe and have faith. That's all Spirit is saying. How do people see you now? People see you as the Knight of Wands. People see you passionately moving ahead to new beginnings. Go-getter, just like the Queen of Wands. Same energy, same characteristic. You are very passionate about what you're doing, whatever you're looking forward to. You're doing it with total gusto and charging ahead with your brand new life. Ooh, that's too many cards, Spirit. One card, Spirit. Yes, you are becoming the magician, Taurus. You're becoming the magician of your own life now. That's how people see you. Forget, you yourself don't have faith in yourself as much as the people who are around you, maybe your friends, family, co-workers, they see you in this. They see you riding that white horse with that same wand in your hand, okay, which is your Ace of Wands, and moving passionately ahead and using all the tools that the universe has provided for you. The magician has it all to manifest and make anything of his life or her life. And yes, people see you manifesting and making something. But maybe when you are by yourself, Taurus, when you're alone, in your room or in bed, that's the time you start kind of doubting yourself. So Spirit says, hey Taurus, we watch you even then, okay? Be listening even then when you're by yourself. So don't try and confuse us. Be very, very sure that this is the route you want to go to, and we will make sure that this is where you are headed. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. 5 of Wands in reverse. So 5 of Wands in reverse, upright, is a card of conflict. So Spirit is saying, whatever kind of conflict you've been through, whether it was with others or whether it was a mental, internal conflict, we highly recommend and suggest that you allow yourself to get rid of all that and only concentrate on this, which is your emotional well-being. And this is like the happiest card of wish fulfillment. So it's saying, let go of any thought of any conflict now, because this is what we're trying to get in for you now. The 10 of Cups, such a beautiful card. Any other secret message, Spirit, for Taurus? Oh, Spirit is saying everything is coming in for you now, okay? Lots of ships are just floating towards you with all the treasures, so don't worry about it. You've already done the work, we've been noticing, and just look forward now. Just don't look back. Just don't look back anymore. Yes, whatever tower has fallen, don't worry about it. Maybe something really upsetting happened in your life which made you lose faith. So Spirit is saying, just turn your back now to this. Just turn your back to whatever happened in the past, because this is what we are bringing to you. Okay, so that is such a good message. Now let's see what do we have for your work life. Spirit, what do we have for Taurus's work life in the month of July? 3 cards, please. Thank you. Work life spirit, work, finances, money, job. Thank you. One more, please. One more. Just to, tie up the story. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so what Spirit is saying that this month I think you will have to make a choice, Taurus. A choice will be made maybe in a big organization or a company or a structured position, like where there is authority. Some secrets will be revealed to you very soon. There will be some secrets which will come out, but whatever secrets will come out and whatever decision you are going to make, it's going to make you really, really happy. Okay, this is self-love. You will feel so happy with the outcome of whatever this decision is going to be made. It's going to be made in your favor. So just don't worry about it. I think work and finances will make you very happy this month. Whatever secrets or whatever news that is going to be revealed is definitely going to be in your favor. Some decisions, some choices are getting made as we speak. Okay, so let's see, Taurus, for your love life. Do we have anything lovely coming for Taurus's love life for July? Taurus's love life, Spirit. Oh. Okay. Taurus, July, I think you're still healing, okay? You are not allowing any growth in your love life. I think you're still really under the shock of maybe something that happened in your past, okay? You are not looking forward to anything new beginning. You yourself are not in that place because right now I think your heart is still broken with whatever probably happened, and I don't think you're right now in the mood for love. So Spirit is saying right now, I think it's very important for you to heal, get over whatever, pain that has been caused in your life. Concentrate on yourself, concentrate on this Ace of Cups for yourself, because a lot of very good things are going to happen to you. Concentrate on your own life, rest, rejuvenate, and once you're totally healed, maybe something wonderful is going to come for you in the near future. But right now, Spirit is saying, don't jump the gun. You yourself are not ready, and we totally understand. Take some time to, heal up. Let's see what the angels have for you. Okay, anything else, Spirit? Any advice? 3 cards with Taurus really, really needs to know now which will really help them in the, lovely, lovely, lovely. Second time this cards come out for you. Okay, more, Spirit? Spirit is saying you have not put in enough investment into yourself, okay? You have totally neglected yourself for so long. Maybe your entire concentration was to maybe take care of others or look after others. This is now your time to have the 10 of Cups, total emotional well-being for yourself. Surrounded, maybe your friends, family, your children, or your neighbors, or whoever. This card has come out twice. This came out in the advice from the universe also. Okay, this is a beautiful card to have. That means you have to emotionally heal yourself with just love, and pour all that lovely, lovely love that you have into yourself first. That big Ace of Cups that came for you, that's for you this month. Heal this person, the one who you've neglected. Who's that? That's you. That's Spirit's biggest advice to you. So let's take Angel Blessing card as well. Angels, please bless Taurus with a lovely message which can really heal them and help them in the month of July, please. Just as I said, Taurus, this is the time now to become childlike. Okay, what do children do? They jump with joy, they play, they go to the park, they play with other children. They don't think of what happened yesterday, right? They're in the moment. So Spirit is saying, be childlike now. A whole new life is beginning for you. You've already done so much work, okay? You've already done your inner reflection. You've healed yourself. You've removed those words. You've self-healed to quite an extent. And Spirit is saying, we are very, very proud of you. And now it's your time to be optimistic and be childlike, because we are gifting you with a brand new life. And you don't have to do anything after this, Taurus, because the angels are surrounding you and they're saying, we have you on our back now. Then that's the same baby, that same child. You are that child, Taurus. They're going to put you on their back, and they're going to safely transport you from that last phase of your life to the next, which will be very, very wonderful. So look forward to that, okay? And don't get stuck in the past. So I hope this worked for you, Taurus. Do leave a comment and subscribe, share, like, and let's meet up again next week. And love and light. Take care.